Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss how to derive the factor formula for the trigonometric function. So before we start, let's list out the formula for compound angle. So here we have sine bracket A plus B, which is equals to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Next, if the situation is sine bracket A minus B, and we will have sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. So now we have the two formula for the compound angle. So let's name it as 1 and this one as 2. So now let us add on the equation 1 and the equation 2. So if we add on the situation, so we will have sine bracket A plus B plus with sine bracket A minus B, which is equals to, if we add on, we will have 2 sine A cos B. Then if we add on positive cos A sine B plus with the negative cos A sine B, and we will have 0. So basically this is what we have as a product for the first equation plus with the second equation. So to simplify the situation, let A plus B as a P. Next, A minus B as a Q. So if we add on the situation or by substitute the situation, and we will have sine P plus sine Q equals to 2 sine A cos B. So now we have to change the situation so that we can get the terms A and B. So if we add on the A, so we will have A plus B is equals to P. A minus B is equals to Q. So now if we add on, so what we will have? If we add on, we will have 2A equals to P plus Q. Add on, meaning that A plus A, we will have 2A. B minus B, we will have 0. P plus Q, so we will have P plus Q. So finally, A is equals to P plus Q over 2. Next, we're going to find the B. So if we want to find the B, we have to minus the situation. So where we will have A plus B is equals to P. A minus B is equals to Q. In order to find the B, we have to eliminate the A. So A minus A, we will get 0. B minus with the B, so we will have 2B equals to P minus Q, and we will have P minus Q. So finally, B is equals to P minus Q over 2. Let's substitute the situation into the A and B. So where we have A and B. So rewrite the situation. Sine P plus sine Q, and we will have 2 sine bracket. What is your A? So in here, A actually equals to P plus Q over 2. Cos, what is your B? So in here, B is equals to P minus Q over 2. So here we have the first formula for the factor formula for trigonometric function. So now for the second formula, sine P minus sine Q. So now I'm going to show you how we obtain the formula. So now for the second formula, we have to minus the first equation with the second equation. So if we minus, we will have sine bracket A plus B minus with sine A minus B. So please take note, first minus the second, meaning that sine A plus B minus with the sine A minus B. So here we have the left hand side. So now let's move on to the right. So sine A cos B minus with sine A cos B. So we will have 0. Cos A sine B minus with the negative cos A sine B. So we will have positive, where 2 cos A sine B. Let's repeat the situation. Let the A plus B as a P, A minus B as a Q. So if we let them become P and Q, so the situation will be sine P minus sine Q. So next, what we have to do is to make the A in terms of P and Q and modify the situation for B so that B in terms of P and Q as well. So A plus B equals to P. A minus B is equals to Q. What we have to do is, first, we name it as third equation and the fourth. 3, the third equation plus with the fourth equation, so we will have 2A plus, meaning that the B will be 0, equals to P plus Q. So A will be equals to P plus Q over 2. If the third equation minus with the fourth equation, the purpose of doing that is to get the B. So let's have a look. A minus A, we will have 0. B minus with the negative B, so we will have positive B. So as a conclusion, we will have 2B equals to P plus equals to P minus Q. So B will be equals to P minus Q over 2. So in here, we're going to substitute the situation, and we will have equals to 2 cos bracket P plus Q over 2 bracket sine, where we have B is equals to P minus Q over 2. So please take note, the A and the B. So here we have the situation, sine P minus sine Q, and we will have 2 cos bracket P plus Q over 2 bracket sine bracket P minus Q over 2.